I actually spoke to the gaffer a few weeks before the call up because obviously I had interest of England, but I spoke to the gaffer and I said like my intentions are obviously with Wales because I'm Welsh, my family's Welsh, my friends are all Welsh, so my first choice was obviously going to be Wales, but England were trying to snap at me, but I weren't having none of it. I've obviously grown up playing with Wales, and the staff and from when I was little, as they've all been great coaches, and they've got me from where I was then to now, and I'm thankful for them. And it's just like here with the senior team, the coaching staff's excellent. I think there's no better place to learn than being with these lads and these top players, so this is definitely gonna improve me as a player, and hopefully I'll get as many caps as I can for Wales and just keep progressing. From when you're a little kid, you always dream to playing with your country, and I think from when I was little, you always look up to playing with the lads and to hopefully get your debut for your senior team. And luckily for me, this might happen in the next two games, so it'll be a proud moment for me, my family for sure. It'll be a great feeling, and hopefully, like I said, I'll get many caps in the future, and this is only the start for me. It's like a dream come true, and just to even get on the pitch and make my debut for my senior team is going to be a great achievement for me and for my family as well. And hopefully, like I said before, I'll just keep getting the caps, keep getting the games, and personally myself, I feel like I'll improve with the lads here because it's a great bunch of lads, the top class players, and for sure I'll keep improving, maturing in my game, and I'll keep getting the caps.